Previously on The Bartender.
You know what Miss call him?
I tell us when we're up on the road, I have a tree pre my phone. Can't deal with distraction, you know.
So me a distraction, Winston?
I don't have a marketing degree per se, but I did do a course in marketing, so I know that's where my strength lies. Well, Miss Rookwood, I do love your energy and I do love your overall look.
It's because she make an effort to go into the corporate world. I have a gift for her. So I want you give to her. But not until she do 1 week in the job.
Brother, how come the man then come for you? We have to deal with this now.
Dada, the man smart. And wicked on that, the man strategic. And even wickeder than that, brother, the man links them tall.
It name MG Land Agency.
Oh, okay. So maybe I have like a portfolio and so with the properties we're going to have for sale.
It's a virtual one because most of what we are going to do are going to be online.
Alright, so today we have only 1 acre of land that is located in Westmoreland.
See, place tour.
I thought because it was Christmas, it would have been.
Hello. Do you know where the studio is?
Hello. Carlton, me want sleep, me sleep, you know. I don't think I'm before. Face to face. Carlton, listen to me. This can't stay online. But cannot deal with no face to face. This too risky and you know already. You don't talk? Bye, Carlton. Bye.
Chappy, that no make no sense. You have to remember say it's a relationship and it go both ways. If she did a step out of the yard and not say nothing, you would have pray her too.
So then that you do. Forward and see message pan table about she gonna go do here. You know.
At least she leave a note. And that's how relationship go.
Auntie, this gone beyond relationship right now. You understand? This is about life. My life. And the preservation of such.
So how 5 fit in that? Because your movement seems selfish. Very selfish.
You know, so me have 2 shots of sleep in my body right now. And every time I preach a boy, Jano, because I lose my 3 points, you know.
Hold on. Your woman can't suffer because of your mistake. No disrespect. But the shot them were in a you, are your fault that, and you caused that. So you have to deal with the consequences.
Alright. So warm to the situation with a contractor boy.
What about it?
This brother come at me with all them police friend them, you know. After me I defend the right of some youth where him I exploit, you know.
But Five got through all of that with you. All of we got through it with you. And we never rest till you reach home safe. So why you deal with her so?
Auntie, it's when I pray all my life set up right now. I want to use the target for such man. You understand? I have to set up myself on one level right now where nobody can just run in for me, not just so. You understand? And it's a run in a shop. Can't provide that for me, man.
What kind of level that?
I have to get a ride. I'm off it. Strap up.
Strap up.
Auntie, you know I'm rate 5.
Yeah.
But she have to just deal with the shop until I put certain things in place. You understand what I say? And she can't pressure me. And if she can't deal with that, then I don't know what else to really say. You understand what I say? Dip on the move, you know. In such time here.
Hey, new song out and now, bro.
Yeah, man, I check it out. Where's that name again?
No way stock. It's by YouTube, man. You see me? Look what I'm going, brother.
Alright, quick and fast, no itch. I see it. Video look mad, my boss. High quality. Me I fix up a one song, yeah, but I have to give this a proper pre later. International, you know, man.
Sure.
Cool, my boss. Yo, you know, so me I take on the producing thing, man, though.
Oh, yeah, say baby, man. I see everything that, man.
People, you know, man. Yo, you know, so me have 2 beats, man, send you for you. Deal with it, wicked.
Yeah, man. Just send them through me, hear them, man.
Alright, my boss. Quick and fast. Yo, me I go and pre-out that video, you know, man. Man, they're gone, you know.
Brother.
Alright. Cool, man. The original DB, you know. You hear that?
Oh, I mean, baby. I'm up road.
Alright, my boss. I say I would.
Oh, them on them.
Alright, easy.
Oh, baby. Man.
Man.
You see, I done that a confirmed the other day, right? Yeah. And it just looks suspicious. I like this link up thing what them are doing, you know. Like them up to something. What about him, baby mother? You say the other day you smell our body splash pan him. You think him and her eye darling? Machine ain't I know. My bother him until him tell me say I'm son him go get the bicycle for and she did have one and pull over from tell me what them time that when them did together I ran that fast so she gave me it. So you believe him? Funny enough, yeah. I just done that they might worry me. That link up somebody and that bother me. But I forgot check that out. Here you. But check this out. You ever consider going to the force? You know you have detective blood running on you? 5. Remember say me did deal with one detective for 5 years? It fascinates me. I might think that. Girl, I have the links. So I just use them when I have to. But I love to know I don't know about a detective there. No matter with it. But it's alright. Anyhow, you need to come lick my pan curry strip though. Yeah, I smell it. What you mean? Bubbles. How much time? What have to do this? Why have to do this? And it smells like you have sour sap too. It's not juice yet, but we'll take it at a time. Jesus! 5! You're dangerous, bad, you know.
Bubbles, my nose now what? Alright, just come on, come. Hurry look for food, come if we go back up, go open the shop.
I search the pot car around this.
Hurry up and care, remember the tongue. Pineapple, I smell it.
Style when me drop it money enough up in a pocket and a tick as them have it when me shop up with no matic. I who violating in your chest so when me clap it. So tell them to stop it. Dawg, come feel like the city, you come feel like the place. Yo, oh, you don't wanna laugh with it though. You know what song?
Yeah, man. Remember we use a song there a lot Germany still. Mad thing.
We don't talk about Germany. We like the whole of Europe. We sleep in a hotel, not out the door.
For sure. Yeah, DB, I'm not lie still. But glad to see you make moves in the business again right now. Happy face, brother. I'm not lie.
Yeah, man. You know music of my life.
Cause the last thing when me hear still is say you mash up and you dip on your face. I never like that still. I'm not lie.
Well, that did reach me in a real life, you know, bro, God.
Yo, DB, right now you're my friend, you know. I'm gonna tell you the truth, brother. I'm gonna tell you the truth. A stubbornness cause make you there right where you there right now, brother.
Well, me realize that now, you know.
Let me tell you something, DB, but I feel say you feel for understand. This when a record company sign you, my youth, you owe them plus interest, you know. Them have to make back their money first before you even see any profit, you know, brother. I saw the business set, you know.
Yo, Chilla, you know, so I never see that way there at that time.
I'm ask you a question. You get a house, right?
Yeah.
You get a car, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you get house and you get car. You're an independent title, yeah? You ever see a title for the house or for the car, yeah? You see, in this music business, this record industry business, brother, you have to make sure so you have real representation. People, but in your corner, will look out for your best interests. Can't go no other way, brother.
A real talk can make it.
You understand what I'm saying, Mike? Like, if you don't have that, you're not gonna make it, brother. That's a real thing. That's how me personally. Yeah, hello? Yeah, room temperature. Alright, thanks. Alright.
Well, Chilla, one song they give me a nice piece of food, you know, so. You know, so I just say, yo, I just build up my studio, you know.
Mad thing, man, mad thing. So you say you're focused on producing right now, then?
Yeah, man, I focus on producing now, but I just do it if I can put up my song there.
Oh.
Yeah, that's that me I do, you see it?
Yeah, man, mad thing, I like that.
Room temperature, as you order.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Yeah. So DB, you're my assistant.
No, wait them boss. You know some girl did for bring some food come give me.
Oh, see?
So I check if it's ready, you see me?
Alright, do your thing, man. Do your thing, man.
Yeah.
Do your thing.
There's the food ready? The food man not ready, I can't bring it come around now. Babes, me I call you back, babes, me I call you back. She just has to say food not ready, you see me?
Yeah, man, me understand, man. That's not word.
Hold on, I know again, go man.
That's not word.
It's DB, the girls I'm falling my trap. It's DB, yeah, I'm ready to pop. Girls, what's my... What one boss, your books to that time?
So good they have studio in a place, I mean I know about that.
I know good studio. I'm my studio. Yo, brother, your books to that time?
Oh, relax, man. So like a raise, you want to raise your voice.
Oh,
wait. No sudden movements, youth.
Brother, you what? You police? Who you?
You see, by now, you don't know who me be. I bet you don't know again. Carry on.
boy really ramp with while ago. The man that come and tell me about you. I would have bought it. You're the boy that never know who just ramp with while ago, you know.
Oh, another thing. Tell go. You know, never mind. As you were.
That boy there should ramp with me.
Goody. Action! Woman! I see your body's more than cool. You control the heart of the soul. Your body's like diamond and pearl. Galaxy and Colin Roach. Step on your girl.
You know, setting up polite to hang up on people.
What you want, Carlton? You know, so we officer this morning already.
I just want to make sure say Sinky. Now your first face-to-face client is Carmelita White. Now she loaded, so nobody go easy on her.
Face to who? Look here. Me don't tell you already. If this now go to online, me nah do it. So do what you have to do.
My mistake. It sounds like a question. It wasn't. You have a choice.
Why this can't stay online? And you know say risky.
Every business have risk. Look, never text you the details, alright, with the location, etc., etc. Cheer up, man. Don't say your bank account look pretty. I'll get some champagne and we'll celebrate later, alright? Oh. I'm gonna want you do it. Not Debbie.
And if I don't turn up,
Hey, Goody! You start smoke again?
they man what happen?
Goody, one boy just throw out in my studio and violate me, you know. One big face boy, you know him?
Oh, so you two have met?
Who him?
That are the landlord.
Landlord? Some of the things are your place.
How that be the thing too?
Well, Goody, tell the landlord boy there, say no way him do. Next time him come around this, like him see my skit up on me, him tell him for no way my play with, yeah?
Damien, you see if you know what I know, you take a look at time and go back on the studio, yeah? Now you ask me to take you.
Him say the same thing to me, if me know what... Oh, everybody depend if me know what me know, but me don't know what me know. I want to know what me don't know.
Damien, please go back on the studio, yeah?
Well, go on, man. I'm going to call on the phone, man. He's a busy man, you know. I have a whole lot of things to tend to. What's the urgent?
This morning, talk to you. I see this.
Yeah, man. Sandra and her baby father. It seems like eat that boy would have that idea.
Seriously, go to this.
Yo.
One of your wife apart.
Love that. That's a simple thing. Me have that under control. But here one. I get a tip. Say a female I keep some contraband in her yard. You understand? So I know say that that's something where you probably interested in, you can go sort it out and you understand?
Oh yeah.
A big thing that for your career, man. If you get the bus there.
Oh yeah, so man.
So you gotta sort it out.
Definitely.
Alright, may I text you the address and things in?
But I each do.
Alright, cool. Have to get a ride. Off it. Stop. Off it. Stop.
Dandada there?
Who named sir?
My youth. I say Dandada there.
Quick foot. Good man. Bubbles.
Come in.
Dada.
I
Yes,
want
sir.
Bubbles.
Him new.
Yeah man, I want a young wire them on the ground, you see me?
See. There's a reason I want to come up with you now.
Oh, go on.
What going with you and shopping?
What do you mean, Bubbles? You know, say Shappy a warrior. And I'm a soldier, you know. What go on?
Dada. I know say you're a friend. My nephew. Shopping look like him a get involved in some illegal things. And me no want none of that for him again.
Bubbles, Shappy good man. Don't worry yourself, man.
Dada. Is a shopping my run, you know. And me no want him involved in a nothing. So if anything I want, let me know.
Bubbles, this is what I say no man. Everything good with Shappy. I have nothing to worry about.
Dada, what advice are you, sir?
My youth, you're grown, son. Social distance, man.
What grounds argument you talk about? By the way, Shappy am own a big man.
You know me never ever talk to you.
Me a talk to you, though.
Hold on, the Bubbles. Bills, quick foot, up there, sir. Hold the foot. Bubbles, really son. You see me I say now. We will talk, man. You don't have nothing to worry about. As I'm tell you from now time. Shappy am youth.
You better make sure I'm alright.
Real no Bubbles, man. See you like yourself.
Quick, let's talk through that.
Idiot. Hello? Seriously, Gussie? You don't know some stop selling something a long time. Right now, born alone, my bunny brother. You never do? From Sydney and now, mama bring police for me and I have to stab her up, dog. Yeah, my mama, they spend the time. I leg off for that, brother. I can't take it off, I stop selling. I burn a one spliff and I eat that. I have peace still if you want, you can come over and give you peace, but I eat that, brother. I think... Yeah. I say me have one piece bread and I hide me. Not even my sister no know some about it, brother. Alright. Ah.
Simmers.
Yeah.
Come here.
I want the push crackers, dear. Bring some come and look at me around with you.
Move, but you don't keep on this too much, man. Hello? Yes, this is she. Okay. Yes, I understand. Same to you. Have a nice day. Have not a nice day.
Shall we try again now, Mrs.?
Let them people play from the marketing players. When we do the interview with what they
So make them mind that now.
after the woman I got tell me so she like everything about me. Now she come and call me for anything about inappropriate attire.
So what you wrong with your man?
And there's so much clothes enough.
Then how then?
A piercing them.
So you go call the people them nice, good up company idiot. When I hear the idiot?
We are living in the 21st century. Them still live back in the golden age. Right now, everybody and their woman have piercing.
And everybody and their woman know say you know wear piercing up on interview. You have to dress appropriate. You never know say first impression last browning. Seriously? You know why your problem? You don't like tellings. Cause I go tell you say you're not supposed to wear piercing up on interview and go over there kiss up your teeth like a foolishness, I tell you.
But never yet see you for the interview, you know. And the last time me check, rapping out weed is not an attitude or an attribute to be for your workplace.
Chanel, don't say that. Don't say that. You know, see me and do them something there again. How dare you if you say that, Chanel?
Sorry, Marley. You know I dropped me a make. That's miserable.
That never funny. That never funny. You know you dash me, jeez.
You know you love me. Stop hype, man.
You just... That's why I don't... None of that. You know me love you. That's why I'm going so. We just want the best for you.
Man, no, guess what? Guess what?
Wow.
I'm hungry. No, you? No.
Hello? Who that?
What is?
The police are here.
I could never think about it.
No, we not doing nothing. So we not do nothing. Wait, you are worried about me not do nothing. You do something?
I don't know what
Alright, come in.
Jenny record?
Yeah?
But why I'm searching premises? You alone the one?
No. I'm here, my sister.
Simmons, you really gone back to the lifestyle here?
I don't know nothing about that. I don't know nothing about that.
It's record. I need to come up here.
Come, go with sir. I don't know nothing about that. I don't mind that.
Listen, man. It's easy to be there again. What do you want to do?
No, must the easy way, sir? So, mommy never want the easy way. We sit down and talk about this, sir.
No, there's nothing to talk about.
What do you mean there's nothing to talk about? Sir,
We have to
sir,
Brian,
wow, that's cool. Maybe if I do not know, sir, it's not my fault.
Let's take time with that now.
Sir, leg off of me. Sir, leg off of me. Sir, leg off of me, sir.
Well,
You
I
never do
can't
nothing,
come with you.
Brody, I swear, you never do nothing.
Sister,
It's not my fault.
Let me go. I'm going to stand up. Just stand up. Please calm down, sir.
It's not my fault.
Calm down now.
Sir,
Mad thing,
You know,
mad
go
thing.
to it, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Well, nice laugh.
That is a rotten blue ball.
Yeah, action.
What do you mean, Bubbles? You know, so shop your warrior.
Action.
Oh, me for saying no, Jesus.
Big head. Chop. Come on. Yep, chop.
After the woman you tell me say she like everything about me. Now she come before I come and tell me about and
Room temperature.
Yeah.
Room temperature as you ordered.
On the pump flat 5 a blush.
A blush.
Watch ya.
Shopping me I got 10. Shopping I want.
We can do this the easy way, we can do it now, you know. What do you want to do it?
No, what's the easy way, sir? Me not talk that, you know, I mean the easy way, level 1 easy way, we sit down and talk.